Hi, Xenia from Tactiq here, and today I'm going to show you how to use Tactiq Chrome extension that enables you to have full transcript of your Google Hangout Meet instead of having to type everything manually. In order to get started, you'll need to open Chrome Web Store and search for Tactiq. Click Add to Chrome here. Mine one is already installed, and you'll see the Tactiq icon next to your search bar area. It is actually will be gray because it's inactive for every page except Google Meet. Installation process is complete. Let's start our Google Meet. When you open this page, you'll see that the Tactiq icon is now active. What you need to do, we definitely need the microphone, but not the Hangout. Yeah, let's join, turn on captures and turn on microphone. Now you'll see the live transcript here that are made by Google. You speak as usual here, discuss important points and share some knowledge and run your meeting as usual. Then finish your meeting and click on the Tactiq icon. It opens up a window, and here you can select the meeting where you would love to have your notes and send them. Let's see how it looks like. Now we see the Tactiq meeting notes for our meeting and the full transcript. What you can do here is highlight important part, add them to the notes, or create action items. Then collaborate together and refer back when you need them. That's it for today. I wish you a productive meeting and see you next time.